Happy Sunday. Hi, I'm Ellie Miriam. I'm the Closet Quilter. Welcome to the closet. Today, I am just about to finish this baby quilt. And I wanted to show you what I do at the end. As you can see, I have a space here between where the backing is and the edge of the quilt. Now, that's fine. But if you want to make sure your backing is tight, you want to use your bungee clips. So, this is how I use them. I'm going to pull it pretty tight because it's so close. You want that tension, just a little bit of tension. And then need a little more tension there. Okay, that's enough tension. And then there, it's tight and it's handled. That way, if you feel your back, it's flat and the top is ready to go. Now on this, I didn't clip the top because I have over the top handles. Normally the top would hang over and we're at the end, so it looks a little funny, but I do it this way so that I can smooth out better because the back is all tight. So don't have to worry about the back. So I'm ready to quilt. I hope that helps you in your quilting journey on the cutie frame, and have a great Sunday. Thanks for stopping by the Closet Quilter.